Alright, so I just left the welding shop that's right there. I'm currently walking back to my dad's shop, and it's all welded in. Look at that, nice and straight. That's a good, better view. I'm walking, so it's a little hard. But literally, it's 10 feet away from, not 10 feet, but like a minute walk back to work, or back to my dad's. There's my car and his truck. Oh, I'm so happy. Hopefully this fits good. A bit better. Now it's all straight and everything, so hopefully it fits. Hopefully it fits. I don't even know if you guys can see, but I don't care. I'm just testing it out now. Dude, I will be so mad if this doesn't fit. Oh my god. It fits. It fits. Now I gotta put the clamp on and be done with this exhaust finally. Alright, time to put them on. I don't even know how you can see, but I'm just estimating how you guys can see. Oh my god, finally. Check it out. Finally sits good. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy right now. Look at that. Look at that.
In my bag now, in my bag now. What the fuck is that sound? What the fuck is that sound? Brought the Mac out, nigga sat down. I got shit I never had now. I can brag now. Got my bitch a Louis.